Hello my web viewers, welcome to one more video here in the channel. Just a guy learning English, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a community post in your account, okay? First thing you have to do is sign in your YouTube account, okay? Next step, click on the cam icon, the option create, as you can see here. Choose the option create post. If you don't see this option in your account, probably YouTube didn't release this resource to you yet, okay? All you have to do is wait for YouTube release this option for you, okay? Now let's click on it, create post. Okay, here we have three options. Video, if you want to post any of your videos, okay, any of your videos sent to YouTube. Here we have a poll, okay, if you want to create a poll. Let's check, okay. Here we have two options. If you want to add more options, click in this option, add another option, okay. I think you can put up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And third, we have image. If you want to post an image, click on this option. Okay. Select a file to upload. Okay, let's go. Open. Choose the option reposition to organize your image, okay. Save preview. Okay, here we have the option post, and if you want to schedule the post, choose the arrow at the right of the page, okay, and choose the option schedule post. I don't want to schedule now, I want to post now. So let's click on post. Okay, here we have a post. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked, and till the next one. If you understood all I've spoke, let me know in the comments below.